Oh, you're donkey.
Yep, he's out of bait. Yep, there you go.
You start reeling it.
Yeah, you got him.
See?
Go right down on the ground.
No mercy, woman.
A bait.
There's a bait. Pretty fancy little camera.
It's just a video camera.
Man, they make them small anymore, don't they?
I know.
Right here, bait girl.
Mine's... Did you get one, Andy?
No, we don't want to.
Show mine.
Sure.
That one's mine.
That's her king. Somebody's king.
That's
her
Andy's king.
Huh?
That's Andy's king. So the king almost goes all the way the size of the length of it as well.
Yeah.
Got one.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're starting to find us here now. Now we'll weed through and see what it's called.
It's not that easy, is it, Dot?
I'm the wrong hand for this. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, he's lefty. Forgot about that.
Oh, did you get it?
So all three of you guys have one?
Did you get the hair more?
I don't think that.
Well, I hope you're not just fighting your weight, girl.
No, I feel it on there.
So, honey, okay.
Fighting your weight.
You have to cook them weights really hot before you can get them to melt down enough.